Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Classroom Decode Data with SKD. Another important issue that normally come across is the penalty in VAM method. Students are very much confused that how to calculate the penalty in VAM method, right? Because VAM method start with the penalty calculation. So in today's video, we are going to discuss how to calculate the penalty in VAM method, and I request you to please go through this entire video and always focus while calculating the penalty in case of VAM method, because if you calculate the wrong penalty, your all effort will be waste, right? So let's move on how to calculate the penalty in VAM method. Now, you know that we have three different methods: NWCM, LCM, and VAM method. And in case of VAM method, we first calculate the penalty, and based on penalty, we basically solve the entire problem of transportation, right? Now, let me take one example. Now, in this case, we have basically three factory A, B, and C, and we have a destination D, E, F, and G. Four destinations and three factories are there. Now, in this case, what we have to do is we have to calculate the penalty for all the rows as well as the column, right? Now, let's say a row A, I have to calculate the penalty for this. Now, what I'll do is I will select basically the two minimum number out of all this, right? So we have 20, 22, 17 and 4. So two minimum numbers are 4 and 17, right? So now the penalty for this is basically 13. I'm writing here, right? Now row second, so the two minimum numbers are 9 and 7. So I have to take the difference of it, right? You'll not say like 17 minus 4, 9 minus 7. It's basically a difference, right? Then in case of third one, 32, 37, 20 and 15. So two minimum numbers are 20 and 15. So this is 5, right? Now what basically student do the mistake is, instead of taking the two lowest number, they take the two highest number. This is the first mistake they do, right? So you have to just consider the two lowest value. दो छोटी values जो हैं उनको आपको लेना है. Two lowest value you have to take and then you have to take the difference of it, right? Now in this column, in this particular column, D column, 20, 24, 32, right? So out of this, 20 and 24 are the minimum, so we'll go for the difference of it, that is 4. In case of this, 22, 37 and 37, right? So 22 and 37 are 2, so we have to go for 15, right? In this case, 17, 9 and 20, right? So 9 and 17 are the two numbers, so we have to write 8. The difference of 17 and 9 is 8. And in this case, we have 4, 7, 15. So 4 and 7 are the two minimum number and the difference is 3, right? Now, when you have the penalty with you, what you have to do is you have to take the highest penalty. So here 13, 2, 5, 3, 8, 15 and 4. So highest one is 15. I'll take this particular column to allocate the value, right? And for allocation, I'll take out of this, in this column we have three values. Out of these values, I'll take the minimum one. Minimum is 22. So first allocation I will do here, right? So this is the way you have to basically talk about the penalty, right? So you just remember how you have to do the penalty in how you have to calculate the penalty. Just a minute. Right? So how you have to calculate the penalty? You have to take the two minimum number of a row and column and take the difference of it, right? So I hope this is clear to you all. In case of any query, please write the comment in the comment box. Request you to share and like this video. Thank you very much.